Yo, what's up everyone? On today's video I'm gonna be talking about the first ever mod for the Civic Type R, and this is my daily, by the way. I decided to get this because my Prelude was off-road for a bit and I needed something fast and practical, something that looked like something that no one around me had. So I got this. It's a fantastic daily. I love it. I mean, the looks are very nice. I love it. Some people don't like it. I love it personally. The only downside was that there is not enough exhaust noise. So this is why I decided to get this modification. So my first mod is a Tegiwa B-Pipe exhaust pipe. Basically what it is there was so many exhaust modifications that I could have gone. There is like branded stuff like Miltech and others, so many like Nvidia and all that, but the price for that is over 1,500, all of them. So, and also this is my daily. I don't want anything too over the limit. So, and then I saw this Tegiwa pipe, and I thought for around £400 you can get this fitted. And the thing is, it's only the midsection. So if I ever wanted to get rid of it, it's not a big. If I find it too noisy for a daily, all I have to do is just swap it over. It's not a big deal, rather than changing the whole system. So we're gonna go to Dream Automotive in Luton, and they are gonna supply the exhaust and get it fitted as well. And hopefully there should be some more engine noise while still having the OEM exhaust to the back, and everything else from the outside is still OEM. That's what I wanted anyway. Currently, at the moment, I have the K&N panel filter, which made the blow-off valve sound really nice compared to where it was from stock. So as I'm driving now, it makes the nice noise, which was the best mod, to be honest. If you don't like big exhausts and stuff like that, I recommend getting the K&N panel filter, because that's like best bang for your buck. I'm just driving along. I don't know if you can hear in the GoPro. Here's the one little noise there. As we join the M1, I'm going to do a little VTEC pull, so you can hear the sound of inside the cabin, inside the car, inside the car, of how a stock versus Tegiwa is. First reactions. I've just got the car. It's only been like 10 seconds and I like the noise already. It's a bit, this is where it should came from factory. It's got that deep tone as well, And like I said, if I ever get bored of it, I can always get rid of it or swap it over. It's not that much of a big job. The guys at Dream Automotive were super friendly, and also my old the center pipe, they nicely wrapped it up and gave it back to me. And I thought I would have to do that myself, but they did it for me. I didn't have to do nothing, and it was quick, smooth. I had some questions as well, which they answered nicely as well, like they explained to me. So we'll definitely be coming back here again for the future mods of the Civic FK2. Still can't get over the blow off valve. Even with the K&N panel filter, it just makes it so much better. And the child in you comes out, and then you're wondering why your miles per gallon is so small. I mean, people were saying that the B-Pipe is too loud on the motorways and it's too drony and stuff. To be honest with you, I can't feel the drone in here. And my back seat is down, so it should have been louder, but it's feeling fine. I think this is the perfect mod if you want to have a little bit of a noise without changing anything too much. Yeah, so back at home, that was like my little review of the Tegiwa B-Pipe and a little bit of how it sounds, if anyone's interested. And yeah, I shall see you on the next video. Peace!